Well, I was on the way from Agassiz to Abbotsford for a meeting, and just as I was getting into Chilliwack, I noted a whole lot of white smoke coming out of my exhaust and lack of power. And I just managed to get into off the road to a gas station where I broke down and had to call a tow truck. So I got Max and Ginger in the bag with me, a carrier I should say, and we're off to home. Well, Raven, Max and I made it back. Tow truck's just dropping off the vehicle. And I'm gonna let it, well, I gotta go inside and help it roll it down. But yeah, Palliative Care needs some palliative care. It's, I don't know what's wrong. I thought it was running really good a couple days ago, driving all over the place, and kaput. So you never know what's going to happen. I'm not going to let this get to me. My next thing is to get it fixed and get back on the road again. Well, I got the vehicle home, and I decided to have a quick look inside. I thought I had oil in my water, but it was just it was really black. I don't know what it was in, but something on the surface. But then when I took off the rad, it some light in here. It's nice and clear. Let's see if you can see inside. My turbo looks fine. Nothing in there. Air intake, a little dirty in there. So I don't see anything leaking around. I got a suggestion of what to try something tomorrow, just to make sure, because it's going to be to the 19th now, I should say, until I can get this into a mechanic. But if I can figure out something myself and fix it, well, that'll be all the better. So I'll keep you informed, but right now Palliative Care is off the road.